What's up, Tiger Squad? Welcome back to my channel, Keri Vlogs. I'm Keri, and this is my vlog. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to start your own studio. And so last time I showed you guys how to be prepared and everything. And so this time I'm going to show you guys how to have a good schedule and good routines. So actually I did a schedule thing, but coaching, you need to make sure you do it the right way. So you need to be prepared, and you can join other teams and everything to make sure that you can be prepared, learn how to be a captain, learn different coaching styles. And so today I'm going to be doing that. So something I do is I join different teams even when I already have my server and everything made, just so I can see the different types of teams there are and figure out which kind of coach I want to be and don't want to be. I've joined some good teams that are really professional and other teams that weren't as professional. So I'm going to talk you guys through this as I start working on a routine for my friend's team and my team. So one thing that you really want to do is make sure you have routines in mind and make sure that it works out for you really well, because you don't want to have a routine where things always go wrong. You kind of want to have a team where you have you know your schedule, you know what you're going to do that day. Tryouts, you can be really professional with tryouts. And when it comes to your permanent team, you won't always have to build really big, because that will be your team for whenever you want to compete. And so something else is choreography. You can either get a choreographer or you can choreograph the dances yourself. I choreograph the dances and choreograph dances for other people. I really like doing contemporary dances because there are a lot of things you can use, like collapse turns. I love those, and needle kick to roll. And on acro, I like doing round off back handspring, step out undi. And I use that for some of my routines that I coach. And so something I really like doing also is getting people the training they need. So sometimes I'll give private lessons. All they have to have is schedule with me on Discord or on Roblox. Text me it on the chat thing in Roblox. And something I really also like doing is kind of just, I'm not really an ALDC art roleplay type of person, just because those can get really hectic and everything. So I pretty much just do my own team, or I join a team that isn't like that. The biggest thing going around on Roblox, DanceMoms, is high schools right now. People build high schools on here because you can build whatever you want. It looks really cool. You can learn new building tricks like the cores. You can look those up on the internet. You can look those up on YouTube. You'll find them high school Roblox Bloxburg decals for high school or pre-K, anything like that. And they'll show you some things. And one thing you really want is before you decide to start your own team, you need to coach yourself. You need to learn all the different types of coaching, different styles, because every coach is different. They don't have the exact same style. Some could be similar, but it will never be the exact same style. Another thing is that the dancers, you have to know what you want to do, because dancers want somebody who's already prepared, and they want people. They like it when people already have a lot of people. But what they don't realize is the longer they stay there, the more informed they will get. So make sure you inform them every now and then, or have somebody else in the server when you are getting people. Making an ad is also really important. It can have emojis. Make sure it gives them information. It can't be short join my team, because then they won't know anything about it. So you have to tell them about it. You can use cool emojis to represent your studio, anything like that, and it will actually work. Another thing you can do is get assistant coaches. If you want a lot of coaches for different things, get people that you know and trust. Sometimes you won't want random people coaching or building, because they could just do a bunch of random things, and then it would be all over the place, and then you'd have to kick a lot of people. And the less people you have, the more people will start to leave, because they'll feel that you aren't professional, or that they don't want to have to wait. So then what you also want to do is kind of just figure out how you're going to coach. Join teams. First, you just start off as a dancer on a team. maybe even the dance captain. And then you can like need to be at that dance captain or be on a team for a bit, and you can join other teams, become a co-owner, choreographer, anything like that. You just need to gain experience before starting your own studio, because if you're completely inexperienced, then nobody's going to want to join you because you won't know what to do, and that'll just be really unprofessional. So people like a team that's like together and knows what they're going to do, and that's actually a really good and important thing for them to know. So that way they know how to form the team almost. So pretty much be prepared, get experience, find people that you trust to be on a staff, like a builder and things. And that's pretty much it to the being successful with a team. Building is also really successful for helping a team. You can see some of my past building videos for that. And so if you like this video and want to see more like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. And by doing this, you can also be part of the